Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instruction. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. So this is the instruction of this assignment. So some zoom it. Okay. Question number 1 is that start Excel. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson My Library Dashboard Portal. You can see I have also downloaded this file from My Library Pearson Dashboard Portal. If you do not able to do this assignment and if you want to deal for this complete My Library course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So I can do all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access and other online courses. My lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development and many more online courses. So moving on question number 2. Okay. Select and delete row 10 that contain the duplicate 3, 21, 20, 24 vision data. Simply we will select and delete row 10. Go to Excel workbook, we will select this row 10. Okay, this is selected and right click on this, click on delete button. Row 10 will be deleted from the Excel workbook. So moving on question number 3. Question number 3, you want to move the 3 to 2024 pharmacy expense to be listed in the chronological orders. Select and cut row 11. Okay. Select and cut row 11 that contain 3 to 2024 pharmacy expense and insert cut cell on row 5. Okay. You can see here. Select and cut row 11 that contain 3 to 2024 pharmacy expense and insert cut cell on row 5. We will go to Excel workbook. We will select row 11, right click on select row 11, right click on this and click on cut button. Okay, select and cut row 11 and insert cut cells, insert cut cell on row 5. We will go to Excel workbook. We will click on row 5. Row 5 will be selected. Right click on row 5 and click on insert cut cells button. So row 11 will be cut and insert cut cells on row 5. So moving on, next question is question number 4. In question number 4, you decide to insert a column for additional data, insert a new column and type expense hash in cell A3. Okay, we will copy this data, insert a new column A. First we will insert a new column A. We will go to Excel workbook. We will select column A, right click on column A and click on insert button. So new column A will be inserted. So the next type expense hash in cell A3. We will click on cell A3 in the formula bar. We will type expense hash. Okay. So moving on question number 5. In question number 5, In the new column, you want to create a coding system consistent of the year, month, and sequential numbering for the expenses. Type 2024 03-001 in cell A4 and use autofill to complete the expense number to the range 5 to 11. Okay, we will type 2024-03-001 in cell A4. We will go to Excel workbook, click on cell A4 in the formula bar. We will type this data, press enter. So use autofill to complete the expense number to the range 5 to 11. Okay, use autofill. So we will move on. Next question is question number 6. After filling the expense number, you will increase the column width to display the data. Change the width of column A to 12. Okay, change the width of column A to 12. We will go to Excel workbook. Select column A, right click on column A, click on column width button. So change the data 12 for column width. Click on OK button. You can see column A width will be changed to 12. So moving on question number 7. In question number 7, the worksheet should have a title above the data type March 2024 medical expenses in cell A1. Medical expenses in cell A1 and March and center the title over the range A1 to J1. First we will type March 2024 medical expenses in cell A1. We will go to cell A1. We will type this data. Okay. Okay, March and center the title over the range A1 to J1. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, click on March and Center button. Okay, data will be marked and centered. So the next question is question number 8. The title would like more professional with some formatting. Apply bold, green font and 14-point font size to the title in cell A1. First we will apply bold. In the home tab, in the font group, apply bold. So green font color. Go to the font color, apply green. So and 14-point font size. Go to the home tab in the font group, go to the font size button, apply 14-point font size. So this question is done. Moving on question number 9. In question number 9, you decide to replace lab with laboratory to provide a more descriptive expenses name. Find all occurrences of lab and replace them with laboratory. Okay, we will find all occurrences of lab and replace them with laboratory. We will go to Excel workbook, go to the home tab in the editing group, click on find. Okay, find is lab replace. Okay, all done. We made 2 replacement. Click on OK button. So close this. So moving on question number 10. The worksheet contains spelling error that need to be identified and corrected. Check the spelling in the worksheet and correct spelling error. Go to the review tab in the proofing group, click on spelling button, click on yes, click on change all, again click on change all. Okay, spell check complete, you are good to go. So moving on, question number 11. You are ready to enter the first formula to calculate the adjusted rate. Calculate the adjusted bill in cell F4 by subtracting the AMT not covered from the amount billed. Okay, we will go to cell F4, press is equal to amount bill minus AMT not amount billed. AMT not covered from the amount billed. AMT not covered from the amount billed. Press enter. It will be show adjusted bill. Okay, so copy the formula to the range F5 to F11. So moving on, question number 12. In question number 12, next you will calculate the amount owed in cell I4 by subtracting the insurance paid and copy from the adjusted bill. Copy the formula to the range I5 to I11. Okay, calculate the amount owed in cell I4. We will click on cell I4, press is equal to. Okay, by subtracting the insurance paid and copy from the adjusted bill. Adjusted bill F4 minus insurance minus copy. Press enter. It will be show amount owed. So copy down the formula to the range. Okay. So moving on, question number 13. Question number 13. Finally, you will calculate the percentage paid of the adjusted bill. Calculate the hash paid of adjusted bill in cell J4 by adding the copy and amount owed and then divided that amount by the adjusted bill. Copy the formula to the range J5 to J11. Simply, we will calculate the percentage PD of adjusted bill in cell J4. We will go to cell J4, press is equal to adding the copy and amount owed, adding the copy and amount owed into H4 into H4 into H4 plus amount owed, copy and amount owed, then dividing by the amount by the adjusted bill and divided by adjusted bill. Press enter. It will show hash of percentage PD of adjusted bill. Okay, copy down the formula to the range J11. So moving on, question number 14. In question number 14, the first row of monetary values should be formatted with dollar sign. Apply counting number format to the range T4 to I4. We will select this range and we will go to the home tab. In the number group, apply accounting number format. Okay, so you can see I have done 14 question of this assignment in my video. Total question of this assignment is 26. I have done 70% of this assignment in my video. If you need help in this assignment and if you want to if you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I will do your complete assignment and complete my library course with A plus grade. So kindly contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can see I have done this complete assignment for my student. You can see on my laptop screen. This is complete solution which I have done for my student. If you want to deal for this complete my laboratory course, I will do your